Hello friends and welcome to once again on my YouTube channel डेली रीडिंग सेशन। तो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं एक आर्टिकल। द इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड्स रिपोर्ट दैट पॉइंटेड टू द लाइवलीहुड ऑफ इकोनॉमिक गेन ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस AI applications outweighing the environmental cost of the increased energy demand that AI data centers will require is reassuring. It underscores that this transformational technology is not fundamentally at odds with the global imperative to pursue sustainable growth strategy across the board. Countries that are better prepared with renewable energy generations are bounded to see a lower social and environmental cost to pursuing their AI ambitions. India's AI infrastructures, at least the part of it that the government is indirectly funding through the AI funding through the India AI mission, does not rise to the level of being at a macro level on the nation's energy mix. Still, the need for pursuing renewable, especially for AI, is necessary to follow. This is already, in a sense, the government's approach to the issue outlined at the AI Action Summit in Paris early this year. While the AI is not the soul of industry, where a push for renewable energy and sustainable practice is important, the sector nevertheless offers itself up for two main reasons. The first is the sheer volume of electricity that is not set to consume. The IMF reports indicate that the United States, the single large home for AI computing capacity globally, AI expansions alone could increase electricity price by up to 9%, adding to price pressures coming from many other sources. As, as such, renewable energy could play a major role cushioning cushioning against the multifold rise in emissions that conventional energy source would likely entail. The second is that data centers led themselves unequally to captive renewable infrastructures. Some Indian firms have already made move to purchase renewable energy, and the hundred of acres that data centers occupy are ripe for complementing equipments with solar cell. The nuclear energy may also turn out to be a welcome contribution. Small modular reactors at emerging data centers clusters in conjunctions with other renewable sources would avert a sizable quantity of emission. Electricity use is not the only environmental footprint that the AI age will leave behind. The technology requires large scale mining or minerals and water use and produce effluent in the manufacturing of the electronic supply chain, as electronics manufacturing is another space that India inspired to grow in. These opportunities must be pursued in the area too. India net zero target for 2070 will demand a scaling down of conventional source of emissions and managing the rise of industry that poised to expand their share of global energy consumptions.